much for joining me back. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Hurry up. Hurry up, okay? Get your life together. So hop straight into this video. So I'm about to go ahead, shower, shampoo, deep condition, and I'll be back. We're gonna braid this hair up. Okay, y'all, so I parted my hair. Nyla helped me. Richard left after the first part. So, oh, my back. Okay, so the braiding hair I'm going to use is the Afri, what? Afri, I don't know how to say this. Afri Natural. I'm going to use the rest of this hair. I already showed you guys basically how it looks in an unboxing video. But it's not pre-stretched. It comes like the expression hair. So I do have my weaving rack over here. So I'm just going to go in, section off each piece of hair so I can start braiding. And I'm just going to take little small sections like that. So I'm just going to do the normal feed-in braids. I'm not going to try to do stitch braids because that's going to be extremely hard trying to do that on my head when I can't see it. But I'm going to go ahead, you know, get my hair prepared, and then I'll be back to start braiding. All right, see y'all in the next clip. Okay, so we are 2 hours later. It'll take about that much. And I'm using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Milk to moisturize. So, and now I'm going to take the Shining Gem. We got a small piece in the front. That is, I'm going to add the next piece under it. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, everybody, so here is the final look on my hair. I need some chapstick. Hold on. Okay, that's better. That's better. Okay, no, seriously. So here is the final look on my hair. Before I do the spin, don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like bell. Hit the like button. Or if you don't like it, you know, whatever. You can like it, dislike it. It's your personal preference. It's your opinion. That's your right. Also, comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another upload. So the hair, y'all, I'm so, I'm short. So it comes down to my butt, basically, but here is the final look. So it's a quick, simple, cute style to get me through the week. Yes, I do know that this is crooked, but y'all do know I parted my hair by myself. So next time I just want to bring it out a little bit more. But here is the back as well. I don't know if y'all can see that. But anywho, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And y'all enjoy the rest of your day, girl. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.